Let me show you 3 ways you can stretch a loop to make them fit your project. So here I have this loop at 145 BPM and I want it to fit the 90 BPM time. So if we listen to it with the whole project, it doesn't sound quite well. So now let's see how we can make it fit. Number 1, if you have auto warp for long loops enabled, you want just to turn warp off and turn it on again. And then you want to write here the BPM of the original loop. So let's go 145. We can also double the measure. Method number 2, we want to kind of spot some key transient and move them like here. If we have some swing, we can also adjust some transients in between like this, his, and have a more quantized beat. And we can repeat the process on whatever transient we want. Method number 3 is using the shift key and clicking at the edge of the clip and kind of move them until we see that it's matching the 4, 8, or 16 measure. While uneven loops are a bit trickier to stretch and make them fit within your project, they are not necessarily bad, they just carry some more information, and usually they are like some intro swells or outro tails that you kind of want for your intros, for your outros, or whatever transition. If you want more loops like the one used in this example, go check the Acoustic Escape pack from Antonio Sassone from Westview. It's a pack filled with 13 guitar loops ready to inject mojo and creativity in your next project. See you in the next one.